Let's take a quick tour of the brain's ventricular system. First, I'm going to remove the left hemisphere so you can clearly see the shape of the second ventricle, also called the lateral ventricle. Notice its shape. It's long and C-shaped, almost like a ram's horn. There are two lateral ventricles, one in each hemisphere, and they are the largest ventricles in the brain. This is where most cerebrospinal fluid, or CSF, is produced. From the lateral ventricle, CSF follows through the interventricular foramen into the third ventricle. The third ventricle is a thin, narrow space located right in the midline, between the two halves of the diencephalon. A good way to remember it is that it sits at the brain center. Next, CSF travels through the cerebral aqueduct, a narrow but critical passage into the fourth ventricle. The fourth ventricle has a tent or diamond-like shape and is located between the brainstem and the cerebellum. The fourth ventricle is the exit point. It's where CSF leaves the ventricular system and begins circulating around the brain and spinal cord. So remember, C-shaped lateral ventricles, a midline third ventricle, and a tent-shaped fourth ventricle. That's the ventricular system.